almost at your house. I think I should just walk you into the house and then face whatever your father has to say.
Huh?
Yes.
No. Not again. Not today again. Don't worry, my love. Go home. I'll be fine. Huh?
Fine. No, I'll walk you home. Okay, at least I'll walk you close to your house.
Look. You walk out? Are you okay? Yes? Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. Thank God I found you both. Just look for anywhere and hide. Look for any place and go to. Anywhere you can hide, just go and hide.
Why?
Why?
Your father has already married you off to Nwankwo and they are waiting to take you home.
Married to me?
Yes, you. Just like... Hey!
Follow the ladder to heaven, sister, follow the ladder, follow the ladder, follow the ladder to heaven, brother, follow.
Wait.
I knew you people will come.
There's trouble.
I saw it before it came.
Mama Ekpere, they paid my bride price.
To be married to the one who's supposed to be your blood. And your father will go to any length to make sure you do not marry Ahanna. And he has a plan to sell all his assets just to perform the traditional rites that will neutralize the blood bond.
Hey, Mama Ekpere, please, I beg you, please, let us stay here with you. Wed us if possible. Just, please, wed us. Let me marry him and abscond with my love, I beg you.
I will never support that. I will just do as my spirit instructs.
Mama Ekpere.
Huh?
Now go inside. Let's see how it's going to be tomorrow.
Papa, I saw them. I saw as I was chasing them. This stupid Chinasa here, she poured sand into my eyes. And before I could get myself, they ran away. But I caught her.
Mazio Kabwe.
Oh?
The most appropriate thing is for us to leave now. Tomorrow will be better. Nwokolo, leave the girl alone.
Papa, let her go.
Leave her alone.
Wait. Chinasa or whatever you call yourself. I don't want to ever see you entering into my house again. Did you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Get out of here. Get out! Edika, I am very sorry. Like you said, tomorrow will be a better day.
Tomorrow will be better.
Yeah. Adama, let's go.
You are my love. You are my life.
Love is the wisdom of the folly and folly of the wise. We don't really have a voice when our hearts have made choices.
You are a prophetess.
And you've always been in love. How come you know this much about love?
I was once in love.
What?
Similar to what you are going through. But in different situations.
Mama Ekpere, this is interesting. Please tell us more. We might learn something.
I left him for the call. I can't say no to the Most High. And the price I had to pay was losing him. Because I was instructed never to sleep with any man if I chose the mission. And being a direct instruction from the Most High, I chose the prophetic mission. He never remarried. I don't even know his whereabouts. I have never set my eyes on him since then. Though, sometimes I do see him in my vision.
confessing his love for me.
Mommy, Mary.
This is another kind of love story. And I'm telling you. I sneaked out of my house and I hid around all this flock. I saw everything that happened. I have a plan.
Plan, Guinness?
I have a plan. Just come with me.
Is that an idea?
You are my love, my life. You are my love. You are my life.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Papa, what is it you say you want to tell me?
Yes, it's a good news. Yes.
What do you...
If the God's will, the love of your heart will be yours.
Really?
Yes. Look, Obiagor is the man of his word.
That's great news, Papa. That's great news. Let me run along to see my friend.
Okay, it's all right.
That's great news, Papa.
I wait to see your return, son.
Thank you very much, Papa.
Hey.
Woman, I do not go to church.
That is the message. You have to come to the prayer house now.
I just have one word for you, woman. Get out of my house. Quick.
I do not speak of my own power, but of he who sent me.
I don't care to know whoever sent you. I say leave my compound now. Get away. Are you still there? Sorry.
Charge.
Get.
Before we do anything, I suggest we go and see Nwankwo, so that we will see if this our plan will work out.
Okwanonya, Ne, I can see sense in what you just said. Even people who have gone to her say that she's very powerful. I believe she'll be able to help us. She will be our friend. What do you say? I don't know about her plan. I know. Biko, can you just Biko?
She said they refused to heed her call, so she shall possibly wed us. Then we can go to wherever we wish and live freely.
Chiemerie. Chiemerie is the best thing that ever happened to us. She is the best human on earth. Besides you. I believe there is no way she can betray us or let us down.
Yeah, I believe that too. I think I can hear my mother's voice.
And the other voice sounds like my own mother's voice.
They're coming to take us.
No.
What do we do?
Chiemerie cannot possibly betray us. She can't.
We need to see you, Biko, in.
I hope they are okay in Nwankw's house. The only way to find out is for me to go there. Eh? Yes, only go there.
Nwankw's house. That's it.
Your plans are good, and I support it. If only you know what love is all about. That is what they are going through now.
We have found out. Hence our decision to work together. Unlike our husbands, who prefer war. Yes, that is absolutely our position.
I have a surprise for both of you.
Surprise?
Surprise? They are here.
Really?
Come with me.
Ahanna! Chima!
I left them here.
As in, how can Nwankwo own trusted Nwankwo betray us just like that? How?
She said our parents refused to heed her call for the peace meeting. Only for us to see our mother sneaking into the compound. After she assured us that no one would know we were there, she was going to wed us and help us flee.
I don't understand. My love, it seems like you and I are on our own. We're all by ourselves now since Nwankwo of all people that was supposed to be on our side has abandoned us.
It's okay, my love. We'll be fine. We shall make it.
Well, I promise you.
Come rain or shine, I'm yours, you're mine. You are my love, my life.
My friend, let's continue with our plans.
They can pull me, but they will never pull me away from you. They can do what they like, but I really don't care as long as I'm with you. You are my love, you are my life, you are the one I'm living for.
Okay, wait.
Why are you after her?
I am Nwokolo, the son of Edika. You are holding my wife. Provide my wife now, or you will know no peace.
They are not here. I wish I know their whereabouts.
Obiagor, you've been operating in this community peacefully. If you want to continue that way, you better provide my wife now. Else, I will go to my kindred and bring 2 youths and will burn down this place.
I have no reason to lie. They are not here. Let me tell you something, young man. She is so in love with Ahanna. And as it stands, I don't think there is anything that can separate them.
You lie! You lie! Hi, Nwokolo. I am that thing that has already separated them. She has been married to me. And a bright price has been paid. The entire youth of Umwich are behind me. Unless you forget, the people of Umwizu are our enemies. Provide my wife now that you are still standing on your 2 feet.
Like I told you, young man, love knows no enemy. Neither does it recognize one. If you think you are the tool to be used to separate them, go ahead and look for them and separate them. Oh, Emmanuel!
Why, brother? Why not provide my wife now? Those that do not want you, provide my wife. Who will burn down this place? Why, brother?
My love, rain fall endlessly. Let the sun shine without ceasing. Even if the skies rumble and lightning strikes endlessly. Nothing will ever change my love for you.
When I look into your eyes, all I see is me. The day love ends for us is the day I breathe no more.
I love you so much.
I love you too.
You are my life. You are the one I'm living for. Come rain or shine, I'm yours, you're mine. You are my love, my life. You are my
Chinelo, where are you going?
I am going to where I'll find you.
Where could that go?
You want me to tell you? I will not tell you. Because if I do, the next minute you come there with your work. I will live with my son Ahanna. At least where he will stay peacefully and enjoy his life and go to school. So that I will leave you and your so-called Okabwe and the people of Umuchu to kill yourself.
Chinelo, how do you think I would possibly feel without my wife for a whole night? And then my son for the last 2 days?
I want to say, are you the one saying this? I want to say, so you have feelings.
What do you think I am? A stone? Rock? Or even wood?
If you have feelings, then consider our son a young boy of today, a youth. The way he is feeling towards the love he has for Tima.
Oh, Okabwe shot at me, my darling. Okabwe shot at me. He wanted me dead. His wife is even worse. Now, they want to get at me through you. Don't you get it?
Off I go. I will only come back to this house when there is peace.
Chinelo, I command you to stop. If you step at me, Chinelo, you cease to be my wife. And don't even bother coming back to this place. Chinelo, you dare walk out on me. The lion of him with me. Chinelo, Chinelo, don't invoke the lion in me. Come back, Chinelo.
I'm yours, you're mine. You are my love, my life. You are my love.
Meaning?
Now this place is not conducive for me and my daughter.
I am going to where will be safer for us. That's what it means.
Azuka,
Iruka.
where are you hiding my daughter? And what game are you playing with the wife of my enemy? Or are you now one of them?
I don't care what you feel. I don't care the way you feel. Even if you see me as your enemy, I do not care. I still maintain my stand. I am living and I am living.
Azuka. Azuka.
Iruka.
If you dare leave this company,
Chiemerie.
I will go out there and marry another wife.
Go on now, we're not checking it.
You will never come back.
Did you hear me?
You will never come back.
What are you doing for? Why get married now?
It's alright. Go, go. Listen, bet me. You will never come back. Before you come back, another woman, another wife will come here. Go. I said go. It's alright, go. Why better come out here? Why better come out here? Why better? I said come out here right now. Why better? Come out here.
Go in there, bring out Chima, our sister, and the wife to our brother out. Else we burn this house.
My people, they are not here. They are not.
You lie. You are a liar. I know you are against me. But
You can go inside.
guys, go inside and check for her. Go and check inside. You. I know you are hiding her from me.
My son, they are not here.
They are not here.
They are not here.
They are not here.
Yes.
I know you must be hiding her in the bush or somewhere. But we'll find her. You know, I don't trust this woman. Check the neighboring compounds. Let's go. Let's check this side.
God of Elijah. Emmanuel. Emmanuel.
When you were, I had to greet so many people. You know our people. I was like, what was holding you?
This fire is fresh. There must be somewhere around here. They're after us.
How did they know we took this direction?
And the truth is, no one can locate this route except through Chiemerie's place.
And you think she called them?
Nothing is impossible. After all, she promised to help us hide, but she ended up calling our mothers. It's possible she's the one that told Nwankwo and the other youths where we are. Maybe they threatened her or something.
Why of all people? Why?
The problem is not even Nwankwo and the youths, but Ahanna and Chiamanda living without letting me know their whereabouts. Our plan would have worked out perfectly if they had been around.
I believe that before night, they will return.
Yes. The vision, crisscrossing, does not suggest that.
What do you see then, Onyamama?
You have to go inside first. Rest. Prepare something. Eat and make merry. I have someone to pray for at Abomene. I have to go now.
Nwankwo, crisscrossing. Can it be Yanka? Yeah.
Don't tell me these people succeeded in luring her away.
She's the agent. But they can never get me, or any of us, unless I'm not the lion of police.
This is too bad. This is not the Chinelo I know.
I am done and over with her. She will never return into this house again. Never again.
What of Ahanna, our son?
If he's really my son, he will return the same way he left. Because a lion beget a lion.
My son and the youths are looking for them in the bush. My daughter has brought shame on this. But it is over. Over?
Yes.
Please, you will accompany me to somewhere later in the evening after the rains. Yes, please. In that case, I will remain here till the rain is over. Good then. Thank you very much. Let me sit down here. Let me get you some drinks. Okay. Thank you very much.
Guys, we must apply plan B. You know what? We position ourselves at strategic positions. I'm sure before 9:4 they will come out. And when they come out, we'll grab them.
Yes, that's it. So let's separate ourselves now before it gets late.
See, what I know is that wherever they are, we must find them.
Let's just be vigilant. You go this way. You go this way. We'll meet at the last station. Let's go.
They can pull me, but they will never pull me away from you. They can do what they like, but I really don't care as long as I'm with
Do you know I never knew that this crisis will bring us this close?
Do you know I had forgotten? Before the onset of this crisis, and his accompanying oath, that Nwankwo Chinelo used to be my best customer at Eke Market.
Azoka, and I remember. How did all this nonsense crisis blind us to this extent?
You know why? Crisis leads to only one thing. Ofife, destruction. Azoka, that was
Do you know that my husband threatened me?
That I should not come back to his house again. I said, Chinelo, no now, I know my work. And he stayed one night without Chinelo. No. He will survive it. Oh. Mine said he's going to get married today.
But I'm daring him. If he sees a woman that is nice and humble like I am,
hey! My dear,
our priority now is our children's happiness.
That's all.
When you're saying that, that's all.
What the men failed to achieve, we will.
One.
As long as I'm with you, you are my love. You
I greet you, ma.
My daughter, are you alright?
Yes, ma. I just want to know if they had returned.
Where I see them is very far. And that's all I can say for now.
But will they return?
Chinasa, go home and rest. Time will tell.
Okunerere, kaji yo famubu. Okunerere.
Tell me this will one day be over.
Yes. As long as I'm with you, my love.
Even if it means running and hiding forever?
As long as I'm with you, Obi.
It's the very reason I'm in love with you.
You stole my heart. And I say I'm proud of you.
You and I together Very comfortable.
Very.
Sugar, 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 ni buga pama, imnatumaka. Sugar, 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 ni buga pama, igbabamo. Sugar, 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 ni buga pama, inebamana. Sugar, 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 ni buga pama.
My sweet husband.
Here we are. You are welcome to my little home of no regret.
It's really a home of no regret. My husband, you know this house, it looks like the house I used to watch on TV then.
Yes, of course.
Very, very fine.
Very nice. That's good, yes.
Do you have something like kai kai or dry gin inside? Go and bring it fast. I need to ginger my swagger.
Eh?
Yeah.
Oh, Chiemerie. Kai kai? Or hot?
Hot drink, karaka. Emma.
Excuse me. Oh, Chiemerie.
My husband, what is the problem?
So, you drink alcohol?
My sweet husband. You know, sometimes you need to step down to ginger your swagger. You know, just like, since you don't have any drink, let me check. I used to have something around. My sweet husband. That is it. You know.
Hey!
Obiago. You want some?
How?
You need my stuff.
Whoa.
Don't worry, I will help you do.
Hey, whoa.
My love!
What?
My love!
What happened? Talk to me. What?
My trap caught 2 fishes!
Go! And you almost made me feel something had happened to you.
Seems like it's your favorite. Time for lunch.
I know. Okay.
And let me go outside. Let me help you finish.
No. Let me do the washing. You know we don't have soap and I know how to wash with style.
You win.
I know.
Oh.
Not.
I'm waiting.
Okay.
I feel they might come back today.
I can't wait to see them back. I'll be the happiest person on earth if they come back today.
I see familiar hands. I pray it does not lead to tears.
Familiar hands, eh?
Enemies, hey, in the borderline. Yeah. When I was in 1990. Dry gin. Obara.
Yeah, Adama. What do you think you are doing? What is wrong with you? Eh? Which responsible woman will start a new day drinking ogogoro, kankai, apatashi, and even smoking? Hey! Listen, I married you into this house to spite my former wife. And here you are, turning a nightmare. What is wrong with you? Yes, I want to know.
Let me tell you something. I have come into this house. I have come to stay. This is my territory. When you married me, you didn't ask what killed my former husband.
Your former husband? Now tell me, what killed your former husband?
Oh yeah. You want to know?
Yes, I want to know.
I'll tell you. But let me take one for the road, huh?
Hey!
Tell me, where are you going to? I am tired of you in this house. I don't want to marry you again. What is it? Let me go and look for my wife today, no. So that I'll bring her back to the house again. What is it? I don't. You're just a terror.
Hey! It's a war.
You're a terror. Leave me alone.
It's a war. You know you will not marry me again and you slept with me last night. You see, you must marry me. Oh, so you are just realizing I'm a terror here?
Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
You see your child.
Leave me alone. I don't want to marry. It's not my fault. It's not my fault. Leave me. I'm a lion, no. I'm a lion. I'm a lion.
Let me show you the power of a lion.
Hey, abomination!
My love, it's not too deep. Okay, this is too deep, and this is too soft. Here. Yeah, I think I found us a part. Exactly. We go through this river all the way and get to the other side. We'll get to Odongene land. I am very sure of it. Odongene. My father has told me about it before. If we get to Odongene, you and I can settle down and start making plans to get married. Send a message across to our parents, and who knows? By the time they get it, we might have our own child.
Anything to be with you for the rest of my life is okay. Obiagor.
Anna! Hey, stop there! Stop there! Stop there! If you make a move, I will cut off your neck. Just oh, so this is where you've been hiding. You think you're smart?
No!
You are the one that will go!
No,
you are the one that will go!
Go where?
You are going!
You are with me!
Hey!
Hey.
You
are my husband!
Okay.
You are not going anywhere!
Hey! No, you are the one that will go! You are going somewhere!
I am not going anywhere! Yes!
You are going, no?
Go where?
I want to go for my former wife. No, she's better than you. She's better than you, far better than you.
Shut up, Mama!
I said, leave me alone!
Mama, chicken.
Mishono. Okay.
Let me tell you, I have seen a roof over my head. And a weak man at that. So I am not going anywhere.
Who is a weak man?
You are a weak man.
No, with all these things under here.
Mama,
no, I am a weak man.
Mama,
you are telling lies. I said, leave me alone.
Are you still talking? I can't. No. Let's move it.
I am going again. No, you are the one that will go. You are going. It's all right. Okay.
You want to hit me?
No.
You want to hit me?
You are the one that will go. You must bring a he-goat before I will get up from here. You must bring a he-goat. Hey. I'm going to call the whole village together. Then we gather and hang you at the village square if you don't do it.
Look at you, useless man. I will not only bring a he-goat for you, I will bring a sheep out. You thought I'm a cheap woman up here? The 4 men that came to marry me before, they could not withstand me and they ran away. Look at you, Ikulaka na tipa buacha. Ikulaka makipa swim you akan tipa do in an kita. Look at this useless man. I thought they said you are the strongest man in English. Oh, look at you lying like a woman on the front.
I'm a lion. I'm the lion of people. Don't let me get up right here. If it's not because of this injury on my leg, you would have seen what Amalusia will do to you. Go and bring that goat now. If not, I'm going to scream. And they will gather. And they will hang you.
You want to scream? It's right, simple. I can tell you, let me help
Prayer woman, I am letting you go because I know you're not a troublemaker. For your information, both of them are in our possession. If you do anything in aiding them to escape, you will smell doom. Do you understand? Do you understand?
Yes.
Go. Go.
What's the problem? Ijika, the woman you accompanied me to marry yesterday is a terror. Very big terror, Ijika. I want to take her back to her parents. Please, you will help me. Help me, please.
Why? Why?
Ijika, what is why? What is why? I want my wife back. Please, I want her back. I do not care what she does with Abalusa's wife anymore. I want my wife now, please. Help me, Biko.
Your daughter, my son's wife, is in the house at the moment.
What?
My son will soon be back. He might know where your wife is.
Tell me, you are not joking. Yeah? Wokolo, my great son-in-law. Please, I am looking for my wife. I am looking for my wife. Did you see her?
Sir, my wife is inside. She's locked up in the room. I caught her with that dog, Ahanna. He was trying to take her away to the neighboring village, and I caught them. So I brought her home. That's Ahanna. I've tied him inside the bush so he can die there.
Very good. Very, very good. But my wife. My wife. I am looking for my wife. I want her back. Please.
Is your wife missing?
I am looking for her. She is missing. I can't find her. I want her now.
Okay, not to worry. I will help you find your wife. But first of all, let me go and feed my wife.
It's okay. Please, I need her as fast as possible. Please,
not to worry.
Help me. Oh?
Not to worry.
Biko. Hey! Hey!
Wait.
My brother. Please, talk to your son to help me. Eh? I will come back later. I will come back again. Hey!
The spirit directed me here. You need to keep quiet. I am under intense threat. Now, run to that uncompleted building beside the secondary school. I have rescued her too.
You rescued her?
Yes. I shall be there with you to tell you what to do to end this thing once and for all.
Wait. So, does it mean you're not responsible for...
That wrong assumption would have ended your life and love. Now, you have to go. I will join you there. Run! Run, be a man, run.
Thank you very much.
I shall join you there.
Thank you.
I shall join you there.
Papa, she's missing.
Missing?
She's missing.
Missing? How come? The door was locked. I've been sitting here all through.
But Papa, I told you to watch over her now. Papa, I locked her properly inside the room. She could have escaped without the head of someone.
This is strange. Just the time we are thinking it is over, it is beginning again.
But she's... Papa, I must go and look for her. I must find her.
Hey!
Small devil, come here. And you, come here, you bigot. Have you seen my wife? Because I saw her last with your wife. And I am looking for mine too. I need her to send away a demon that I brought to my house. I brought a woman to my house not knowing she was a demon. Hey! So, you of us are facing the same fate. I brought one too. That's not what I'm asking. Where's my wife? Where's my two? Come here. Come.
That is the plan. Let everyone go home. Relax. Calm down. Pretend like all is normal till the plan happens. Wrong as it is, that is the only feasible way to end this once and for all.
We shall do as you instructed. Yes. Thank you very much for coming up with this kind of plan.
Thank you very much for all you have done to save our love.
Emmanuel!
My boy, we shall be forever grateful for this.
Emmanuel!
Calm down, my son. Oh, calm down. I have a good news for you. Ichoko came to tell me last night that Chima and her mother are back home and they would love to see us today.
They would love to see us?
Yes.
But, Papa, do you know why they want to see us?
I think she has agreed to lay off the enemy and marry you.
Eh? Are you serious?
Yes.
Papa, you're joking. Are you serious?
No, this is no joke. I'm real.
She marry me?
Yes.
Oh, Papa, I'm so happy. Papa, I knew. Oh, Papa. I knew she would marry me. Papa, you're too. Go. My family is back. And I will never allow them to separate from me again. Never again. So,
I will go.
Papa. Sorry. It's okay.
Are you okay now?
Yes, I am. Sorry.
Thank God she's gone. Good riddance. I want to assure you that I really have parted ways with Chima. Yes, we both agreed to go our separate ways so that we can end this war and there will be peace.
Better, my son. I told Udoka that if you were my son, you would come back the same way you left. And now that has happened. And to you, my wife, Chinelo. Like I said yesterday, I'm sorry. There would never be another woman like you. Chimo.
Mama.
Sorry, I promise I'll never walk out on you again.
Ah, Chimo, it's okay.
Look at these people. What of me?
Okay, let's go inside and celebrate. Okay.
You are my love. You are my life.
So please, please. You go, Mom. Hey, my beautiful wife.
You evil man. By the time I will be done with you, oh, you will regret me. Oh, don't think that you have won, no? Because she will still run away and you will come back to me. Then I will deal with you.
Get out. Go away from this place. Go away. If we... Please, my wife, my daughter, I want to thank you so much. You have returned. You see, what sweets me most is that you have accepted. I am very, very happy. Listen, my daughter, I am going to do anything you ask from me. Yes.
No problem. Just that I want a proper marriage ceremony to Mokolo. So I'll ask for some days so I'll be able to prepare and arrange myself. After the marriage, I will then move into his house like a woman of...
Oh, nice. Oh, can you hear that? I'm like a woman of honor. You will move in. You will move in. Don't worry. Everything is all right. You can go in and have your rest. Hey! Never mind. No, Ma. Oh! The beauty of all beauty. What pain me most is God is just wasted with all this waste. Hey! Thank you, Anuka, oh, Chimana.
What a tragedy.
I am speechless.
By drinking poison. Abalosia. Arrange the youths to take him to the evil forest. Same fate applies to Chima, the daughter of Okabwe, who killed herself a day before her marriage. What a double tragedy.
As was tradition in our land since the time of our great-grandfather, having committed suicide by drinking poison, Chima and Ahanna, we deposit your bodies in this Ajofia. Let the evil forest take away the evil and let both of you clean yourselves and granting you grace into the next world, that you may live happily than how you did in this brief stay. Ajofia kwaja na kwaja di agaba na nurani na tawa. Ibalulu kina mo ibalulu kana afia. Ibajulu na chijerugo bila tulanu naba. Ewe kurabu. Arumara janu apa bugisi yakene. Arumara janu bugisi yakene. My people, the gods have decreed that the land in contention belongs to both Umuichi and Umuizu, and also that the land must be shared equally. And a big ceremony shall be held on the third day to end anarchy and rancor that caused the crisis. Go now and do as I command.
Where are these women now? They should come out. No, the dance group, everybody's already at the village square. Don't you know what they are? Come out, all of you. Carry all this thing. How do we go about this? Just wasting time. Hey! What's going on?
They are alive. Huh? We planned it. I gave them some herbs that made them breathless. Huh? And the bottle of poison that was beside them that day was just to make it real. I had a vision that the judgment of this land will come out this way. So I took them away from the evil forest to a safe place till this day. Now that we have peace, can we give chance to true love?
Can we give chance to true love?
Let's give chance to true love!
But they will never pull me away from you. They can do what they like, but I really don't